Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use Cakewalk on Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up Bandlab on your platform. But guys, as you can see, currently I'm opening it up on my mobile phone. Here's my application, and after opening it up, we can go ahead and get started creating our account and logging in. That's going to enable us to use Bandlab. But guys, you need to keep in mind that Cakewalk is not usable on mobile. Maybe somehow you can add some presets to your mobile that look like Cakewalk, but for now officially Cakewalk is usable on the Windows platform. So as you can see, when googling on Cakewalk or Bandlab, it's going to enable us to enter in this products page right here of Bandlab, where we can get started with looking at Cakewalk. So as you can see, here is the Cakewalk section where we can get started with downloading it for our Windows platform. And after that, after installing it on our Windows platform, we can get started with setting it up and using it. But as you can see, currently there is no option to use it on the mobile version of Bandlab. So you have to be on your PC, and after downloading it right here, you can get started with setting up. You have all the instructions that you need right here that you can use and get started with using Cakewalk. So yeah, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.